So let's assume that you have a Amazon gift card. You wanted to redeem this directly here into Amazon.com. Now, how does an Amazon gift card looks like? Well, if you see a few examples of the Amazon gift cards, you might be seeing that usually they have this small little card that they sell into 7-Elevens and so much more. If you go into the back side of that, it will be leaving you a code that you can find out directly inside there. So this specific code, you will be needed to redeem this directly to the Amazon.com redeem. Now, the process will be really fast. What you can do is to go directly inside your account. You want to sign in. I will be typing my account, and once you enter directly inside there, usually what it does is that it will be sending you an actual code in order to sign in. And when you are inside there, you can go directly into my account like this. And if you go directly inside my add cards, or in this case my gift cards, you can choose the option that says in this case redeemed, and here it will be asking you to change or to put, for example, the actual code that appears into the upper side. If you don't have that code, well, basically you won't be able to continue. So this is one of the way how you can do this. The other way is to go directly here into Amazon.com / and you can type the word redeemed. Now, since we already have our Amazon signed in, this will be sending us directly where we were currently at, which in this case will be redeemed code. So it says the claim code is located to the top. To redeem, visit here, and we have here, for example, 4, 8, 10, a lot of actual numbers. So here into the option it says apply to your balance, and just like that, this code will be automatically applied to your Amazon account. Right, so once you have now successfully done this process, you can head back directly into your account. And just in case it appears as this unfortunately this gift card codes embedded, you want to make sure that you have input the right codes. And if you still doesn't have this available, what you can do is to go for the gift card redemption issue help page, where this can be helping you to get started if you have any trouble. So what's going to happen here is that Amazon is going to be putting on in contact with you guys, and basically what you wanted to do is to tell Amazon where you purchased this gift card, who told you to make the purchase. You have like a ticket, you needed to support that, and they can be helping you depending on where and when was the actual purchase. It can be helping you to redeem a new code, or to just help you with adding the credits directly into your account. But this is, of course, basically it depends, of course, into your mobile application, the manual entry, the desktop, the where you have now made the purchase, and so on and on. So hopefully it was a very useful information for you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you have any questions, you can leave it down below in the comment section. Thank you guys. See ya next time.